The CELLTRON Ultra Battery Tester provides advanced battery testing capabilities for stationary batteries used in UPS system, power utility, and telecommunication industries, and is ideal for use in data centers or other environments with high levels of electrical interference noise. The CELLTRON Ultra combines advanced conductance technology, state-of-the-art portable electronics, and convenient data management to facilitate fast, simple, safe, and accurate battery management. The conductance testing methodology enables accurate and repeatable testing in the presence of ultra-high electrical interference. The CELLTRON Ultra software includes an icon-based menu and preloaded data on over 200 battery models to expedite testing and record keeping.